Step 2 of how to 10 times your Reels editing in Premiere Pro. Let's talk about the simple and unique process of cutting your footage. Now, to cut your footage, you want to keep in mind 3 keybinds on your keyboard: C, V, and Shift. When you select C, you'll have your cutting tool that is enabled, and all you have to do is left click on your footage, and now you have a very simple and clean cut wherever you've decided to cut the video, that is, of course. Let's say, for example, I want to clear out this little air gap. I can apply a simple cut in between these 2 elements. And now if I want to delete it, all I have to do is click delete and it's gone. And to clear this space, all we have to do is click delete again. Alternatively, you could just click Alt Delete, and that'll clear up the footage in one fell swoop. And then when I'm done making my cut, all I have to do is simply click V to go back to my select tool. But let's say I wanted to do a cut on both of these tracks, V1 and V2. All you have to do is click C again and hold Shift when you're cutting. And now you've been enabled to cut on both tracks seamlessly. And we could go ahead and delete that section. Now let's head into step 3, framing.